What is up, everybody? I'm Novo coming at you with another one. Having a look at Gann and Tunnel. So on page 179, we read that Robert is talking about Marie's date of birth, and he is unsure but thinks it's in 1908. So Marie's suspected birth date is October 6th of 1908. Open up your astrolog. I'm not going to open it up because I'm trying to keep the resolution stronger. But take note of, um, I would say, oppositions, because we're 1 degree away from 180, and that is the astrological opposition. Have a look at, let's go back to here. Have a look at Venus, which everyone is saying that Marie Stanton is. All the Venus cycles have to do with Marie. Also, look at the moon and the node. What are they doing? Then you basically drop a date and then you add your information. And while you're at it, you might as well right click on Astrolog and open up a second window and have a look at June 9th, 1906, which is Robert Gordon's birth date. Look at the sun, look at Jupiter, and look at Mercury. So the first thing that I assumed was men are from Mars and women are from Venus, because we figured out Marie was from Venus. But is it Mars for Robert Gordon, or is it Jupiter? Have a look. When you do look at those positions, also remember to look at geo and heliocentric and make notes, and then you can back test. But today's focus is about the moon. And I want to bring up W.D. Gann's financial timetable. This is the Mac Daddy, right? And has been fairly accurate, but up on like recently, it's harder to catch tops and bottoms like as accurate as it was here. And the reason for that is this is solar calendar years, and this financial table is based on the lunar calendar and the lunar node. So, what you want to do is, and actually, the reason why I say that this is based on the node is if you look at 1821 and 1840, it's a difference of 19 years, right? So, somewhere between 18 and 19 years is this sequence. And if you count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Why is it 21? 3 times 7, by the way. Why is it 21 a column? And why does this one have 22, which is a master number? And there's a difference because the lunar and the solar calendar will oscillate, and they will not resonate all the time, obviously, because it's different cycles. So we can say that somewhere between 18 and 19 years is the difference of these columns, but it's not the same. Like if you go across, it's not the same sequence, right? So there must be something happening here. And what you need to do is open up Astrolog or download an ephemeris and find out, what does 1784 have to do with 1803? Why is it beside each other? Why is it beside 1821? Why is it beside 1840? And so on and so on. Because when you look at dates, these years all line up with some sort of occurrence. In this example, A stands for an extreme low, right? And then this column here stands for high stock prices. And then there's C, panic, and D, low. And why does this count 1801, 1802, 1803, 1804, and then when you go back up, it's 1803? Why is it not 1805? Once you do all that homework, you'll start to understand what this cycle means, and you'll be able to correct this as you project going forward in time. And as you project going forward in time, you can look at past future projections of people that have carried it forward, and you can see if this is correct. Is it accurate or is it not? Um, I think that's all I'm going to. I can't think of anything else to discuss, but I'm going to leave it right there. And while you're at it, Um, I would probably start at the beginning of the chapter, and then once you get to 180, you'll have 180 on your mind, and then you'll start seeing dates that you need to take note of as well. So, on that note, I'm going to end it. We're just under 7 minutes. This is a record, and we will call it a day. Trade safe.